So, of course, Terry Long there of Edwin Allen taking the Class 3 girls 100 meters. Now, welcome to the business day. I am Javon Keys. Let's start things off with gas prices. Effective tomorrow, all categories of fuel will increase, effectively reversing last week's declines. In most categories, at least, a litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $3.06 more, taking them back to their ex-refinery rate 2 weeks ago. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will see a marginal increase of 25 cents. Kerosene will also go up by 25 cents. Propane will sell for $1.19 more, while butane will go up by 84 cents. Of course, each gas station will add their own markups to the ex-refinery rate from Petrojam. The Bank of Jamaica has kept the monetary policy interest rate at 7%. The central bank says it's held the rate offered to deposit-taking institutions on overnight placements to maintain tight Jamaican dollar liquidity. Now, the last adjustment in the rate was last November. The central bank has kept the rate at 7% as it closely watches the lag effect of previous decisions and as inflation slows. As at February, inflation stood at 7.8%. Effective April 1, the BOJ will also increase the cash reserve requirements applicable to deposit-taking institutions by 1% in a bid to further slow inflation. Now, the next interest rate decision is due in May. The MyCash Finance application has been relaunched as a digital wallet. It's being powered by Paymaster and Digicel. Now, head of MyCash and Paymaster Jamaica, Kevin Chin Shu, says the new MyCash has moved away from some of the original structures.
At its core, MyCash is a digital-first wallet solution that allows users to secure their funds and perform financial transactions from the convenience of their mobile phones, or mobile devices, I should say. When used in conjunction with Paymaster's agent network and online platform, MyCash offers multiple channels and options to manage your finances.
He says in addition to the application on smartphones, MyCash will also enable transactions via non-smart devices with the use of a code. In addition to a mobile number from any network, a TRN and ID are needed to create an account.
You can add funds to your wallet at any Paymaster MyCash location. You can send funds from your wallet to other wallet holders. You can make bill payments, and you can top up your phones, all at the click of a button and in seconds.
Now, MyCash says with its MasterCard partnership, it plans to roll out a physical and digital card. A merchant platform is also to come. Now, while the wallet is not yet Jamdex enabled, the company is working to have that function added. It will also be able to do transactions with other digital wallets. MyCash was first launched in 2018 as a prepaid card by Digicel in partnership with Sagicor. Now, the Digicel Sagicor MyCash partnership, however, ceased operations a number of months ago. Now to the foreign exchange market, the US dollar is being sold for an average $151.89. $114.14 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The going rate for the pound is $187.55, while it's costing an average $166.66 for the euro. Meanwhile, the JSE index advanced by 976 points today, while the Junior Market Index lost 16 points. Now, among the winners were Productive Business Solutions, US dollar shares, Paramount Trading Jamaica, Jamaica Broilers Group, Stanley Motor, and Knutsford Express Services. While on the losing side were Jamaica Public Service, 7% shares, ISP Finance Services, Simony Group, Carbon Assurance Brokers, and T-Tech. And that's it for the business day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.